Hi everyone, it's Lisa here with an unboxing video. It's been a while since I last filmed, so I'm really excited to share things with you. Right, and what I've got to share with you today is a Lollipop Box Club kit. I haven't had one of these for a while, but I've been super tempted by them, and this month I couldn't resist, so I've rewarded myself for doing all of my Christmas shopping and wrapping by buying myself a little present. Lollipop Box Club, if you don't already know about them, run by a lovely lady called Lisa, and these boxes come, as you can see, big enough to fit through your letterbox, so there's no waiting for the postman to re-deliver things. And it's a little box of happy mail, goodies, creative stuff, and it's called Chase Your Dreams. So it's a lovely postcard there, really pretty that is, isn't it? So that's the theme. So I've also got a little discount card there and a tag with a heart from Lisa. That's sweet. There's always lots of bits and pieces to reuse in Lisa's boxes, so obviously that tag is going to be reused somewhere else, and it always comes wrapped up in tissue paper, which gets reused, as you can imagine. Nice blue this month, and oh, little hearts on it, stars, and some spotty tissue paper. And then here we've got the kit inside, so everything's always beautifully wrapped up. It's called Lollipop Box Club for a reason, so somewhere in here there will be, yes, there's a lollipop, hooray! So there's always a lolly, that looks nice. And then there's always lots of other little bits and pieces, so let's see what we've got. There's a planner clip, oh that's so cute. He's so squidgy, I don't know if you can see, he's got a bit of a sparkle to him. I don't know why I think it's a him, but there you go. It's a little boy cloud, I've decided, with little stars. He's really puffy, he's really thick, that's really cute. Okay, that's my little code. And then there's a notepad. I think this is something new that Lisa was trying this month, so that's really nice. Excuse the noise outside, the bin men have just come. So it's like watercoloured on top, and it matches the Chase Your Dreams theme. That's really nice. And there's a pen. Oh, lovely. Again, can you see that? It says Chase Your Dreams. It's one of those ones with a thingy on the end for using on your screens, and it's, yeah, I'll see what colour it is. Black. Yeah, it's a nice pen. That's great. And next, oh, that's so cute. There's a little feather stencil. That's really nice. I can see that being used as a feather, but I can also see that being used as leaves, or even a peacock feather actually. Yeah, got ideas for that one. Although it's a Lollipop Box Club stencil, you can see that it's been made by Happy Scatter, so there's that in there. And there's also stamps, yay! Stampaholics like me love some more stamps, by Skull and Crossbuns, and there's two stamps in there. The first one is the doodle circle, and then there's some little stars as well. Really nice. Oh, I didn't realise that was going to be on the back. How cute is that? Chase Your Dreams. Great. Okay, what else have I got? Right, let's have a look at the mystery gifts first, because I can't wait. Little glassy envelope, again, to be reused. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, I've just readjusted where I'm standing. Hopefully you can see that. It's a little charm that says dream. I like the charms that have got a clip on the top, because that means they're easier to attach. That's lovely. Right, what's next? So next is the treats bag. Now, again, these bags, I've got a little stock of these from previous Lollipop Box Club kits, and these are really useful little bags for reusing as bags, or for layering up in layouts, or for using to put photos in the traveller's notebook. They're excellent. Let's have a look what's in here. Ooh, how lovely. So there is a little pack of pretty sequins. So they're white, pink, silver looks grey. Excellent, they're lovely. There is, ooh, a little starry package with some star brads in there, gold and silver. There's some stickers. Oh, this is so sweet. So you can see those say, I'm dreaming of 2019 goals, new year and daydreamer, And then there are some very pretty pale watercoloured feathers and flowers and a rainbow at the bottom. There's some doilies. Lovely. Oh, these are nice. To-do list, really. You can do it to do. The date on and priorities. I have I use a daily little sheet like this that was in a Lollipop Box Club kit from ages and ages and ages ago, and I love it so much. I use one every day, so they might replace that. I like the fact that it's got the meals on there, clean and organised as well. And then these, oh, that's lovely. That's like a postcard to cut out. They're nice to cut out because they're square. If you can dream it, do it. Fantastic. Love that. Right, next. Ooh, die cuts. Now, I love that Lisa started putting die cuts into her kits. I'd never used die cuts really before I discovered scrapbooking last year, and I am completely converted. I think they're fantastic. Let's have a look at these. So we've got, oh, they're so cute. There are feathers and stars and a moon and some words that says goals. 2019, a dream catcher. That's fantastic. And what are these at the bottom? Okay, a little tag and a little looks like a little note page, and the other words are this year and dreams. Yeah, fantastic. They're really sweet. I'm loving this colour scheme as well. It's quite pastel, but I like the fact that it's got this browny beige colouring. Sort of takes it down from being too sickly sweet really, and the navy as well, and this green. Really nice colours. Okay, and next, and they're planner stickers, I think. Yeah, 2019 goals, happy thoughts, remember, me time, weekend, liking it. Yeah, that's really nice. Again, I love those colours. Ooh, what's this? It says DIY. So what's the DIY? So there's usually various different little packages in a Lollipop Box Club kit. One of them is usually a DIY, but I think this might be something different this one. Yeah. So pieces to use on projects. So this is watercolour paper, acetate sheet and some pom-pom trim. Oh, that's sweet. Look at that. Yeah. The paper is from the word of the year, so I'm going to have a go at that. But yeah, they're really nice. Fantastic. And lastly, what's this in the bottom? I think this is the papers. So I'm liking the colour of that bag. Grey with white spots. How cool is that? And inside these are A5 size papers. Oh, I like that. I can make this happen. Chase your dreams. That's nice. Matte, but it's quite a nice weight as well. I don't know if you can hear that. It's a decent weight of paper. Nice strips. I like strips that I can cut up. And there's two of each. There's this kind of watercoloured blue. Can you see around the edges there are some spots that haven't been watercoloured in. It's really nice. Nice colour. Oh, clouds. I love clouds. You can see me cutting those out. Great. Stars. Who doesn't like some stars? That's going to go nice with those stamps. Feathers. Again, this is on this watercoloured background, so there's some imperfections which I really like. And then there's a January calendar with the same sort of theme at the top, and some weekly planners. I use these for meal planning. Fantastic. So that's my kit. I'm really pleased with it. I shall be making things with this forthwith. I've got a few ideas in my head, so hopefully you've enjoyed my little unboxing. I hope to do another video soon. Take care.